Hello family, how you doing? This is Aislee coming to you again from Hustle Dads and Family Legacy Club with an update video. This video here is going to be a live invest in GrenMiner. All right, it's less than a week old as far as this project. This project is high risk, high yield investment program, HYIP. So before we get into that, let's go over the house rules, family. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. Do not put any money in any of these projects that you cannot afford to lose. Not the house money, rent money, baby money, any of that. You name it that you cannot afford to lose. All right, these projects are high risk, potential high reward. All right, this is videos for information, educational, and entertainment purposes only. I'm just a dad, a guy out here on YouTube in the metaverse showing you all how we grow our crypto and other assets online and offline to build our passive residual income, to build wealth and financial freedom. All right, and a lot of this stuff is digital. We're in the digital age, and these projects are fast paced, and you have to do your own due diligence, assess your own risk level with any of these projects. All right, so let's dive into this. A previous video, I touched bases. I shared with you all strategy, what my plans were. Earlier today when I first saw this was referred to me by someone I know. So I highly encourage you, get to know whoever referred you to a lot of these programs. Otherwise, you're going to have to do more due diligence. It does not guarantee just because someone referred you to a program that it's legit. It's just that, you know, relationships, building off relationships with folks helps to build some trust off of past experience. And that's how this program here came to me. Now you can check out everything you want to check out, regarding their webpage. But to be honest with you, a lot of that doesn't mean a hill of beans, because tomorrow this thing could be shut down just like that. Now I'm not trying to scare you guys. My risk level, a lot of these programs, platforms, I've taken some money, made some money, and I start playing with house money. And so I've accumulated some house money, and I let that money keep growing or whatever, so that I don't go out of the black into the red. Now each project has to stand on its own legs, meaning that just because I made money in the previous project or a couple of projects doesn't mean I just blow all of that on a new project. So you have to manage that risk. So for me, in a project like this, I'll put in maybe $100, $200. I'm going to put in this project here and half a BNB and then another half of BNB for a total of one BNB. BNB, if you don't know, that is Binance token coin, is running about $266 for one BNB right now. And I have some in my wallet. And so we're going to use some of that. So I've already logged into this account here. And what you want to do, you're going to log in. Then you're going to go to the accounts page. I'm going to go here to open deposit. And when you go to open deposit, in the previous video, I went over these plans and my strategy. I'm going to start off with this plan right here. These two are what I'm focused on. Not being greedy. This plan, super appealing. I'm not sure the platform is going to be around that many days, but it's a risk. High reward for that risk. And it don't mean I won't participate in this, but my strategy is to make my money back quickly in these two areas right here and play with house money before I get in that. All right, so you're going to go here, choose Terra. Once you do that, you're going to check a payment system. Binance coin amount here, I'm putting 0.5. Then I click invest. That's going to bring up this for me to scan. So I'm grabbing my phone out. I'm going to use my wallet. You guys don't have a wallet and you're brand new to online space, leave a comment, send me a message. I'll show you guys a tutorial or point you in the right direction on how to set up a couple of different wallets. For this, I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet. Everyone should have a MetaMask wallet. That's just standard. If you're in crypto, gotta have a MetaMask. So I'm actually logging into my MetaMask wallet as we speak. So you can see I'm logging into my MetaMask wallet over here, and all right. So I'm in my MetaMask wallet here. I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm going to send some BNB. I'm going to click over there in the right hand for the scanner, and then I'm going to scan and it picked it up just that fast. Hit next. All right, and type in 0.5 BNB. Estimated gas fees 0.00011 BNB. I'm going to click send. Transaction submitted. All right, family, so I just hit send to send that transaction, and so transaction is sent. I just sent it from my phone. I went through. It may take a while for it to show up in here on the account, and so I may pause the video and come back to it. Let's click on my deposits. It may not be showing up right now, so we're going to come back. All right, family, I'm back. So pause the video. Less than a minute, it showed up there. So you guys can see that the BNB is in there. It is status. You see it's in there for a minute and a half. So in 24 hours, this 0.5 BNB should go to 0.575 BNB. So it's that simple. All right, so we'll be back tomorrow when it's time to claim this money here and go from there. But I'm gonna go ahead in the next video, go ahead and deposit into the other program as well. All right, I'll be back. Peace.